If you're missing the Wi-Fi and possibly Bluetooth icon on Windows PC, then this video might help you resolve that. If you're running builds that aren't Windows 10 or 11, then this probably wouldn't work and you may need to take your computer in or upgrade to a newer PC. Now, I'm not saying this will work for everyone, but this was an easy fix that took way too long for me to resolve, so I'm sharing this video in hopes that it helps someone. Right, so I was writing paper and suddenly my computer shuts down out of the blue. That maybe my laptop had run out of batteries, so I plugged in and turned it back on. But when I go to log in, the Wi-Fi symbol is missing. I'm running Windows 11, but Windows 10 is virtually the same software and runs into the same problems. I have a Dell Inspiron. It served me well for 2 years, and the model is about 4 years old. But after the Wi-Fi symbol went missing, I was trying everything to fix it. All the settings for wireless networks were just completely gone. When I first came across this issue, I went straight to Google for troubleshooting. One possible fix was to reset the network settings, which did literally nothing for me. A lot of forums mentioned deleting the network drivers and reinstalling them over a wired Ethernet connection, but this also did nothing for me. So I kept researching, and one option as a last resort was replacing the WLAN card, which controls Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. My computer did not have a replaceable WLAN card, but I could buy a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth USB dongle that allowed me to connect to wireless networks. Seemed like the only option, but I ran the systems diagnostics just in case, and this is where I found the problem and the fix. I ran the system diagnostics, which you can do by restarting Windows PC and pressing F12 on the boot screen. There's a system diagnostics option, which runs a system scan and looks for problems. I ran both a short and long scan, but it couldn't find the issue, which means the Wi-Fi card couldn't be out because the scan would have come back successful. I restarted my laptop and came back to the system menu. This time I opened the BIOS settings, which is what fixed the issue for me. I went to the wireless settings, reset both the factory default, and then restarted my PC. I ran the Windows troubleshooter once again, which recommended another network reset, so I did that. And this time, the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings were back, and I saved a lot of money by not getting it serviced. As mentioned before, this definitely won't work for everyone. If you have tried everything on the internet, I recommend trying a USB dongle before sending it in and paying to get it repaired. You can find these on Amazon for about $20, and you can verify that they work with your Windows model, but most work with pretty much any. It's definitely cheaper than paying $200 to get yours serviced by the repair team. To me, this seems like a marketing gimmick by electronic manufacturers. Your computer conveniently stops working after it's not under warranty anymore. They aren't making money, so if they can get you to get an easy fix repaired, that's cash in the bank. Or they want you to get a new computer even though there's nothing wrong with your old one, because that's also more money for them. To some extent, technology does just randomly stop working, but I highly recommend running a system diagnostics to check if there is a real problem. If you have other computer issues or would like to see a different troubleshooting method, leave a comment. But I hope this helped you. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video. Peace.